Thank you for visiting this funnel. This video is to assure you you're the right person for this workshop. It's a workshop for busy women, whether you are a licensed practitioner or a professional. Today's marketplace has absolutely changed. Before, there was only two types of clients. That was one who went to the salon and one who did it themselves. And now the third type is the one who will do both. So as a professional and as a partner to other professional women outside of my industry, come and explore, come and learn in this workshop. This workshop is going to be a lot of fun. And it's about hair analysis, just understanding the fabric and this canvas that we paint, and then also understanding the ideal and the correct tool and how that chemistry affects our hair and how it will change until it grows out. And you're also going to learn about, the natural growth cycle of the hair. What's the hair made up of? We're going to do fun science stuff. On that half-day class, you're also going to be fed. And you're going to walk away with some really cool hair models that you'll make with your new friends. And you'll walk away with a comprehensive workbook. So you can look back and check out what you have learned and review it so that you can pick the best color tools possible, because there's so many possibilities, but there's still fundamentals. So Canvas and Chemical is about putting the fun back into the fundamentals of hair color and hair coloring. Whether you do it for other people and you feel like you need a brush up course and fill in a gap, or you just love coloring your own hair, this class is for you. It's the end of September, that last Monday, and it is limited seating. And I'm going to be doing this with two amazing colleagues. I'm really excited to share the classroom with them and with you. Don't forget, it's a limited seating, and this is fun. This is going to be discovering how to be more confident in picking that right tool. And confidence is what's required every day in our busy life. Thank you. Sign up.